Welcome to Tap Tech, where we dig into upcoming gear and figure out what really matters before you buy. Today, we're talking about the Sony A7 V rumors, expectations, and why it might be one of the most important mirrorless cameras of 2025. Sony's A7 IV has been a strong all-rounder since its launch, but many have felt it started to lag behind competitors in speed, video, and modern features. The A7 V appears to be Sony's response. It's not just about refinement, it looks like Sony is pushing to close gaps on autofocus, burst speed, and video capabilities. First, when is this thing coming? Multiple sources point to a release window in late 2025. Some leaks also suggest an announcement pushed to late 2025, maybe around October-November, with shipments following shortly after. Delays seem tied to sensor production, readout speed adjustments, and competition pressure. What about the camera's core specs? The A7 V is rumored to feature a 44MP full-frame sensor in some leaks, though other reports suggest Sony might retain 33MP but with improved sensor technology, faster readout, reduced rolling shutter. If the 44MP version is true, that could give more flexibility for cropping and still retaining detail, while a refined 33MP might balance file size, speed, and better low-light performance. Autofocus is expected to see major upgrades. Leaks suggest better subject detection, enhanced face/eye/animal detection, and more robust tracking in video and photo modes. Sony may include some AI-assisted features, smarter tracking, prediction when subjects move fast, and possibly better performance under low light. Burst, continuous, shooting speed is another area people are looking closely at. The A7 IV does about 10 frames per second, but rumors say the A7 V could push that to 20 frames per second, electronic shutter, or close, especially with improved buffer and faster sensor readout. Video capabilities are also expected to be better. Leaks mention 4K 60 frames per second with less crop, possibly 4K 120 frames per second, improved encoding, maybe better stability and internal 10-bit recording. Design and usability tweaks are part of the rumors. People expect Sony to include a more flexible rear screen, possibly a two-way tilt or fully articulating screen, which helps vloggers, video creators, or anyone who shoots from odd angles. The viewfinder might get an upgrade in resolution and refresh rate to make autofocus tracking look smoother. IBIS, in-body stabilization, is likely to be refined, either slightly better performance or less jitter during heavy use. Another feature often discussed is heat management. Shooting high frame rates, or with fast readout sensors, often causes overheating. Microsoft leaks and insider chatter suggest Sony is paying attention here. Better cooling, better processing efficiency, perhaps firmware tuning to prevent overheating during long video or burst photo sessions. On connectivity, expect upgrades as well. Faster interfaces, USB-C, better wireless transmission, maybe more robust firmware and app support. Users want faster file transfer, more reliable tethering, and smoother workflows. What about trade-offs? None of these rumors mention a global shutter, so rolling shutter may still be present. Also, higher resolution sensors and faster electronics tend to increase power draw, so battery life may see only modest gains unless Sony aggressively improves efficiency. Cost is another factor. Improvements mean higher price, especially for enthusiasts who care about all the features. So, who is the A7 V going to be best for? If you do a mix of both photo and video, especially hybrid creators, weddings, travel, content creation, this camera may hit a sweet spot. If your priority is action, sports, or wildlife, improvements in burst speed and autofocus could be very meaningful. If you mostly shoot landscapes or slower subjects, the benefits might be less dramatic but still welcome: better image quality, better video, newer sensor tech. If Sony delivers on the rumors, 44MP sensor or a strong refined 33MP, 20 frames per second burst, improved IBIS, better video, 4K 60/120, improved autofocusing and tracking, and better build/design usability, the A7 V could be one of the most balanced mirrorless cameras of its time. In summary, the Sony A7 V promises to be a meaningful upgrade over the A7 IV, especially in speed, autofocus, video features, and usability. It likely won't reinvent the wheel, but it might fix many of the areas where the A7 IV has lagged. That's everything. We know so far about the A7 V. If you found this breakdown useful, hit like, subscribe to Tap Tech, and ring the bell. I'll be watching for the official announcement, benchmarks, and hands-on tests so we can see how many rumors become reality. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next deep dive.